I'm gonna solve a Rubik's Cube. It's just a 3 by 3. There we go. That's fun. Okay. Oh. We might have to get more candy before our party. We probably will. Well, you know what I mean. Like more candy. But the candy is definitely fine. Wait, you know, I saw this YouTube girl and she had so much candy. And I like following it. Sometimes. Sometimes I will more. And then you want to these? Okay. Yeah. I need to switch. No, switch. Whoa. That was weird. Just dropped it. Okay. I need to switch. Okay. I forgot how these need to switch. Okay. Orientation time.
Yep. Okay. I have an idea. Just a minute. Wait. I have an idea for which ones. Okay, you're not going to be able to reach with that. Because I know the ones. Could you just wait? We're not going to use the ones you're thinking of.
Mom, I'll show you the ones I want.
We're going to look up in that cupboard. We're going to use the ones up in that cupboard. At the very top. The big tall ones. Can you get them? Please be careful. No. I will get it for you, okay? Sorry.
Mom, I'll because she thinks since I'm using the same twisty chair, it's gonna fall. Oh. Hey, why are you so warm? Okay, 2 more. Oh, right. Okay. Right, the centers. That one's right. Okay. Wait a second. Yep.
Looks like you're just re-messing it up. No. You did it.